All right, y'all, welcome back. We are here. Man, look, we're gonna try to go down here. I'm gonna try to go down the lake. They pulled the water some with all the rain. So it's like 1-2, 1-4, below full pool. 74, 72, 74 degrees. I got Chip with me. You see how he's let his hair grow out with his long locks? No, it's not. You need a haircut, son. I need a haircut. Hang on, y'all. All right, y'all, we come across a brush pile here. You can see there's a big one laid right in the top of it, Brian, about 30 feet. Oh, he was short. Pretty pile, it's showing some fish in it. 35. There you go, a little bit better. See, I'd say start winding. I'm really surprised you didn't get bit.
I didn't see it. Did you see it?
Yeah, I seen it hit the water. See how it hit you, hit the water there, it was falling. Come on, get above this one's head. There come one to it. Here he comes. He come out of there hard, boy. He's still falling. He's still falling. He followed it hard. Still one sitting at the top of it. There comes your jig. Well, he was under it. Here he comes. He seen it. One. Lost him, dude. He was following it, boy. He come after it hard.
Both of them. There's gonna be all these little ones in here now.
See your jig?
Yeah.
I'm really surprised you didn't get bit.
I guess there's a couple sitting in there. I don't know.
Yeah, there's still some good ones in there. There goes your jig. Here comes one. God, but he was all over it, dude. Still two falling, two small ones. Got a big one on top. It just come into the pitch on top of that pot.
Welcome to the party, buddy.
Look at him swimming back to the pile. See one turn to it.
Is that a big one in the back here?
There's two big ones, three.
Oh my goodness.
It's showing some good ones on top of 35 feet.
Too cool.
These two, yeah, not far enough. Look at that third one that come in back there that's leaving. That's some two big ones that was sitting on top of it, going out of it. All right, y'all, real quick, a couple suspended fish, and then we got a brush pile Found a brush pile and we done caught half a dozen or so on it. Fish in there from issue. There's some good ones in there. Good eaters. Show you this brush pile. You can see, Bo, it's just lit up with fish. There goes Brian's jig down. Bunch of fish in that pile. 15 foot, 75 water temperature, you can see there. Why Brian ain't caught a fish yet, I don't know. There goes his jig coming right through there. Got it? No. Some of these fish are good fish. Some of these back here. See them back there? These are some better fish. Good stuff. See what we catch. That'll fish.
Just a little baby.
I guess so. That's a good one.
Not too shabby.
Yeah, no. We fixed to dust them. We fixed to lay dirt. I'm telling you. Look at that. That jugger's loaded up with fish, and I'm telling you. Showing the fish all over.
Ooh.
That's nuts.
I can't catch a single one of them.
There comes one. Finally, the boy got one. Good job.
Finally, we got one.
There you go.
Oh, 15 pounds.
All right. Double up. Oh, the camera. That's what I'm talking about. You got a little brush pile fishing.
My hair is absolutely insane.
That's for sure. Good fish, y'all. I'll let both these little guys go. boy. Over to the camera, that's a good one. Guy. He ain't quite an 80. He got it gone too. Look, crystal shiner gone. They're coming on. Doubling every time. Look at that baby. Every time. Man, I'll just load it up with them, buddy. They're coming on. Oh, he's up there tearing up rod and reel.
A little bit better.
I got a baby.
Almost a keeper.
Got a weed through this RP fish. Might be able to get a good one. Look at that little RP fish. Wrap it, wrap it. Going on top of my line, I still catch it. Trying to booby trap me. Just like my nephew. Good guy, y'all. You waited too late to smack that. The boy keeps on throwing on top of me. He catches one, hungs my line, and while he's still playing, I still catch one.
One's bigger.
Yeah, I don't care. They still throw it.
A little bit better.
Hell, you know, one right after another, just double, double, double. If we had double jigs on the rods, we'd be catching 4 at a time. I'll take the camera back up there. Crystal shiner eating it up. All right, here it is again. I was sitting almost on top of it. And you see the fish just stacked on top of it. know what happened to the boy's jig. He got it. Pretty fish. Get him in here once I eat him. Much better fish. There we go. Lay it down, brother. 20 foot. Go to the left there again. Now it's loaded up with fish too. Ah,
Little baby.
there's another one.
Just a little baby. Little baby.
Yeah. Oh, so you got a good one.
No.
Still doubled up. Still doubled up. Let me see. Doubling up. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for now. We're gonna go get some lunch, take a chill pill for a little while. What you think, buddy? Once we got on the brush pile, they was there, wasn't they?
They were. Just gotta get through the small ones.
Hey, ain't that something? Just the babies everywhere.